Hello everybody. Thank you for giving this opportunity to speak before you. I Pragati of ninth class, proud of my parents because they are studying educate.
Flow is very slow. Hello everybody, my name is.
Hello everybody. My name is.
Don't tie hands like this. Like this. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody. My name is Pragati of ninth class. I'm proud of my
Ninth
parents.
class. No. Hello everybody, my name is Pragati. I am studying in ninth class.
Hello everybody. I Pragati of ninth class, studying in Kumareshwar School. Proud of my parents.
I am proud of my parents.
I am proud of my parents because they are.
Parents, no. I am proud of my parents.
I am proud of my parents because they are studying me in
Studying me, no. They are educating me.
They are educating me in Kumareshwar School. It's my responsibility to look after them one day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next. Come on, start.
Hello everybody, good morning to all present here. I Pragati Nakati of ninth class studying in Sri Kumareshwar English Medium High School, Saudatti. I am proud of my school and I am proud of my parents who are giving me such a great education, and it is my big responsibility to take care of them in the future. So I will look after them in the future. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, very good. Very good. Next. Boys, come on. Hulia, come on, Hulia. Claps for Hulia. No, 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 no. Come. Okay, come. You come. No, he just came, no, that's why. Yes. Stand properly first. Be confident. Take long breath. Yes.
Hello everybody, my name is Manoj. I am studying 9th class. I am proud of my parents
I
because.
am proud of my parents. Well, again, your name.
Hello everybody, my name is Manoj. I am studying 9th class. I am proud of my parents because
They are educating me.
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 They are educating.
No, no. They are educating me.
They are educating.
They
They
are educating me.
they are educating.
No, man. They are educating me.
They are
Very
educating
good.
me.
Start.
Once they look.
One day I will look after them.
One day I look after them.
One day I will look after them.
One day I look after them.
It's my responsibility.
It's my responsibility.
It's my
It's my
responsibility.
res-
Responsibility.
responsibility.
Responsibility. Very good. Come. Madly, next. Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. I am studying in Kumareshwar School. I am from 9th B class. I am proud of my
Does
parents.
she have confidence? No. Loudly. Full confidence.
Hello everyone, my name is
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody,
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody. Hello everybody, my name is Priyanka from 9th B class. I am studying in Kumareshwar School. I am proud of my parents. They are educating me.
I am proud of my parents.
I am proud of my parents because in future I will take care of them. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Okay, well done. Next. Come.
Thank you for giving me a great opportunity to speak before you. I'm feeling proud of my parents that they're educating me and taking responsibility of me. And one day I'll take care of them in future by being a successful person. And it's my good responsibility as a daughter to take care of them. And I'm proud of my parents and teachers that they're giving a good education for me. Thank you.
Well said, well said. Claps. Claps, nothing will happen. No tax, sir. Okay, next one. I would like to call Pratik. Come on, Pratik. Give him round of applause.
Hello everyone, I am Pratik from
See here. Hot. Oh my God. See here.
No sir.
Ashwin, sir. Okay. Start.
Hello everyone, I am
Hello,
Pratik.
everybody.
Hello everybody, I am Pratik from 9th B class. I am studying in.
Slow. Go slow. Nothing will happen. Go slow. English is slow, but we are speaking very rapidly. Huh? Yes. Hello, everybody.
Hello everybody, I am Pratik 9th B class. I am proud to my parents.
I am proud of my parents.
I am proud of my parents to educating me.
They are educating me.
They are educating me in Kumareshwar school.
It is my
It is
responsibility.
my responsibility
It is
to.
my responsibility.
It is my responsibility to see.
Yes, that I will take care of them.
I will take care of them.
I will take care of them.
I will take care of
I will
them.
look after them.
I will look after them.
Yes. Thank you so much for
Thank
giving
you
me
so much for giving this
Try
responsibility.
once again. Again, repeat after. Again, once again.
Hello everyone, I am Pratik from 9th B class. Proud.
I am proud of my
I
parents.
am proud of my parents to educating me in
They are
Kumareshwar school.
educating me.
They are educating me in Kumareshwar school. I will.
It is my responsibility.
It is my responsibility to take care of them,
Yes, look after them.
look after them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next. Okay, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Interrogative.
My name is affirmative.
Alphabetical good name is. My good name is.
My good name is Interrogative.
My good name is affirmative.
Yes. You start from affirmative sentences. You tell one sentence. I will tell the instructions. She will tell the sentence related to affirmative, means declarative, affirmative or assertive sentence. After listening to her sentence, you have to make it interrogative. Why? Because it is interrogative. Your name is interrogative. Understood? Start.
I eat fruits.
Do I eat fruits?
We eat fruits.
Do we eat fruits?
She eats fruits.
Does she eat fruit?
She eats chocolate.
Go.
Does she
Next.
eat chocolate?
You should not take more time. While framing sentence should not take more time. If you take means you are not a good speaker or a spontaneous speaker. Spontaneously sentence should come. Next, Pragati. Pragati, please come. Start. Introduce yourself.
My good name is affirmative.
Yes. Start. Tell one sentence.
I will eat cake. I eat cake.
Next, welcome.
My good name is affirmative. I eat mango.
Do I eat mango? Does she eat
She
mango?
eats mango.
She eats mango.
Does she eat mango?
He eats mango.
Does he eat mango?
They eat mango.
Do they eat mango?
I ate
I ate
chocolate.
wrong. I ate wrong. Okay, Pragati. Come, try again once again.
Simple
Don't fear. Simple present only.
I dance well.
Do I dance well?
We dance well.
Do we dance well?
You dance well.
Do you dance well?
They dance well.
Do they dance well?
Present continuous. Start present continuous.
I am dancing.
Am I dancing?
Yes.
I am singing.
Am I singing?
You are going.
Are you going?
You are hitting.
Are you hitting?
She is cutting.
Is she cutting?
They are eating.
Are they
Start
eating?
simple past. V2.
I ate.
Do I have you ate?
Did I eat? Did I eat? Start with did I.
Did I, sir?
Yes, for all. Okay, now start.
It
I
will come, sir.
V1. Did plus V1. Did I eat? Did I sing? Did I dance? For all, did I and last.
V1.
Next verb form is one.
V1.
This one.
I ate.
Did I eat?
I drank.
Did I drink?
I droned.
Did I drive?
I sang.
Did I sing?
I danced.
Did I dance?
They came.
Did they came? Did they come?
Did they come?
Come.
Okay.
They arrived.
Did they arrive?
Very good. Now present perfect tense. Have has.
I have eaten fruits.
Have you eaten fruits?
You have eaten fruits.
Have you eaten fruits?
They have eaten fruits.
Have they eaten fruits?
She has eaten fruits.
Has she eaten fruits?
I have sung a song.
Okay, well done. Pragati is taking more time. Pragati is thinking and telling examples. That should not happen. Spontaneous means spontaneously should come. What? Yes, interrogative. Okay, now change. She'll try interrogative. You tell affirmative. Okay, introduce yourself.
Good morning to all. I am interrogative.
Good morning to all. I'm affirmative.
Yes, start.
Sir, which sentence I should?
Present continuous.
Present continuous. I'm singing.
Am I singing?
She is eating.
Is she eating?
They are learning.
Are they learning?
They are driving.
Are they driving?
They are planting.
Are they planting?
She is.
Present perfect. Start. She has eaten.
She has eaten fruit.
Has she eaten fruit? Has she come to
Stop. More practice needed. Still you are lag behind. Confidence illa. classroom we can tell well, but ఇది best. Practice well. All of you.
It's good.
Practice well.